The top 5 4Kelvin streaming devices currently on the market will be listed in this video. In the past several months, we've released 2 additional streaming device videos, one on the best streaming sticks and the other on the best streaming devices overall. If you'd want to watch those videos, I'll include a link in the description. The exclusive focus of this video will be on 4Kelvin streaming devices. Your search for the greatest 4K video streaming box for your new, cutting-edge 4K TV has begun. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on the notifications so that, whenever I publish a new interesting video like this, you will be notified as fast as possible. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5 is the Chromecast Ultra. The Ultra is just like the other Chromecast in that it only works with the smartphone and doesn't come with a remote control. Also, there are no built-in apps for streaming. What does set it apart from the other Chromecast is that it does support Dolby Vision, high dynamic range, and 4K streaming. The Google Chromecast Ultra retails for $59. And at number 4 is the Amazon Fire TV. The Fire TV has a wicked fast user interface and uses Alexa for voice search. There are a few factors keeping the Fire TV lower on this list. It uses HDMI standard 1.4 instead of the more recent 2.0. Although you can stream content in 4K, it does not support HDR or wide color gamut. Other than that, the Amazon Fire TV is a very good media streamer. But you may want to wait for next generation Fire TV, hoping they add the updated features that are currently missing. The Amazon Fire TV retails for $89.99. Coming in at number 3 is the Xiaomi Mi Box, for $20 less than the Amazon Fire TV. And just $10 more than the Chromecast, you get a box that supports both 4K and HDR video streaming. The Mi Box also comes with a remote control that lets you do voice searches. The Mi Box is powered by Android TV, so it comes with apps that you can use. Although it lacks the performance and app selection of its competitors, some will find its 4K support and price to be right in line with their needs. The Xiaomi Mi Box retails for $69. And at number 2 is INVIDIA Shield TV. In addition to the Shield offering 4K and HDR support, it offers a wide selection of apps and access to NVIDIA Power Gaming in the cloud or from your PC. The user interface is very quick. In video, it boasts that its device is 3 times faster than its closest competitor. The cost may keep many users away. The NVIDIA Shield retails for $199.99. Our last pick is the Roku Premiere Plus. It was a toss-up whether to choose the Roku Ultra or Premiere Plus for the best 4K streamer. The Ultra retails for $130, but for $30 less, the Premiere Plus also includes the same 4K and HDR video support as the Ultra, so we went with the Roku Premiere Plus. Although the remote lacks the voice search capabilities that the Ultra has, it does come with a headphone jack for private listening. Roku also has the largest app selection of any streaming device on this list. Be sure to check out the Roku 4K Spotlight channel to find 4K content available on the Premiere Plus. The Roku Premiere Plus retails for $99.99. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you know of a 4K streaming device that you think should have made this list, and why. If you'd like watching Best of Tech List and learning more about the world of technology if you haven't done so already, be sure to click the subscribe button below this video so you don't miss out on the latest from Mr. Lim.